For our cat, we're going to be using 4 balloons. I've got a Latex spring lilac that I've chosen to use for the eyes. It's a 5-inch round. I've inflated about to an inch. Trimmed the knot very close there. We've got a white 260, inflated, leaving about a 4.5 or so inch tail. We've got, these are Latex Fashion Fuchsia. I've inflated these 260s, one of them with about a 3.5 inch tail. One of them is about a 4.5 inch tail. We're going to start with our shorter of the 2 pinks. We're going to take the 2 knot ends of the white and the short pink. We're going to tie them together at the knot end and then trim this extra off. I like to trim it fairly close. Now we're going to start with our white. Make about 1.5 inch bubble. Another 1.5 inch bubble, and then we're going to lock those 2 together, just like that. Then we're going to take our pink and make another bubble about the same size, and then do a 3 bubble row through here, like that. And then we're going to take our 5-inch round, putting the knot on the bottom, push it up into the middle, and split that into 2 smaller rounds for our eyeballs. Make sure they're about the same size. Twist them together. And then on the pink side of this connection here, there's a 3 bubble row through here. Bring that up and twist them around once or twice to lock them into place. And that will be our eyes in a moment. Now we're going to take our white, bring it over across the bottom of this assembly, and I'll just lay it over until it meets up here, and then twist it in where they come together. And that generally makes that one a little longer, so it sort of protrudes out just a little bit on the bottom there, as you can see. Now the white, we're going to take the excess off, but we want to make sure and keep that in the inflated part because we'll be using that later for our white belly on our cat. So take that off, tie it, set that aside and keep it. And in this end, you're just going to secure it and then tuck that up inside there. Now you want to take the remainder of our pink. We're going to make about a 3.5 inch bubble, and we're going to make a small bear head, so we'll make about 1.5 inch to 2 inch bubble here, a 1/2 inch bubble, make it into a pinch twist, about a 1 inch to 1.5 inch bubble, and I'll typically make this one slightly smaller than that one. Another 1/2 inch bubble, again a pinch twist, and then another bubble the same size as this one here, so like that. Twist that all together. Now we're going to take this part and we're going to push this piece here back through the bear head so that it draws that muzzle up against it like that, and push it through until it pulls the eyes up flush against the head there. This is going to be our cat's head. And now we're going to give him about a 1 inch neck, make it a 1/2 inch bubble, make it into a pinch twist. Then we're going to make about a 2.5 to 3 inch bubble, another 1/2 inch bubble, make that a pinch twist as well. And then we're going to come back up another bubble the same size as that one, just like that. Spin that around once or twice. And then this excess we're just going to take off, because we don't need it. Secure that in. Now we're going to come back with our excess white we had left over. Twist it in at that ear twist there, up at the front, under the head. Make sure it's locked in there good. Then I'm going to take, in this white, I'll soften it up, so this bubble actually becomes slightly skinnier than those. Go back to the back ear twist, twist that in, and then again, take the excess white off, twist it around, secure it up in there really well. That's going to be our cat's white tummy. Now the last 260 that we had of the pink, again, starting at the front, the base of the neck, twist that in, come down in front. We're going to make a couple of legs about 2 inches long. Make one, make another, twist that in the base of the neck to lock it all into place. Now we're going to come back along the top of his body till we get to that back ear twist, and then twist in at the back ear twist. And again, make few more back legs, just like our front legs, so about the same size, about 2 inches. Twist in at the back here, twist. Go around to secure it. And there's our cat. Now we've got a really long tail, as you can see here. You can either leave that tail on, or if you think that's too long, figure out about how long you want your tail to be. Pop the excess off, tie it, and then trim that off. And take and you like to shape your tail a little bit, shape it like that. Now come back up to our face here. Eyes. We'll give him a little mouth, whiskers, and then I'll draw the nose with a little inverted triangle here with rounded corners. And there's our little cat.